Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Form 1099 NEC is not a replacement for Form 1099 Misc. Before the 2015 Protecting Americans from Tax Hikes Act (PATH) Act, taxpayers could file one Form 1099 Misc to report non-employee compensation and miscellaneous income items by February 28 each year.
Let's help you make your mark.
File Form 1099 Misc for each person to whom you have paid during the year. At least $10 in royalties or broker payments in lieu of dividends or tax-exempt interest. At least $600 in rents, prizes and awards, other income payments, medical and health care payments, crop insurance proceeds.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.